Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's video we are going to see how can you fix Blu C5L Max phone won't turn on or charge. Fix 1. Check the back cover. Power off the phone, remove the back cover carefully, ensure the battery is properly seated. Reattach the back cover securely. Fix 2. Inspect for dirt or grime. Power off the phone. Examine the charging port using a flashlight. Look for visible damage or debris. Fix 3. Examine the battery. Power off the phone. Remove the back cover. Check the battery for swelling, leakage, or corrosion. Replace the battery if damaged. Fix 4. Test the charger. Use a different compatible charger and USB cable. Test both on another device to ensure they work. Inspect your original charger and cables for any visible damage. Fix 5. Check the power outlet. Plug another device into the same outlet to test functionality. Try different outlets if necessary. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. If you think I have been some way, do like, share, comment, and also do subscribe to this channel.